You have likely heard the term death tax, but what does it actually mean for your family and their future inheritance? The technical term for what many call the death tax is the federal estate tax. For 2024, the federal government allows individuals to pass on over $13 million before any estate tax applies. Because of these high thresholds, the vast majority of estates in the United States do not owe any federal estate tax at all. It is important to distinguish between federal estate taxes and state-level inheritance taxes, which are handled very differently. Statistically, less than 1% of all estates in the country are large enough to be subject to this specific federal tax. For most people, estate planning is more about managing assets and beneficiaries than worrying about federal death tax bills. Thanks for learning the basics with us today. Remember to consult a tax professional for your specific situation. Educational content, not financial advice.